How to fix Spotify liked songs disappeared. So if you're facing this issue within your Spotify account, this is either happening due to network errors within your device or it is happening due to app bugs. So in this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the connection that you're using is strong, or you can also try switching your network from your Wi-Fi to your cellular data or vice versa. Now if this is not the case for you and if it is not the case of network, the second thing that you need to do is just clear out the app cache and also reinstall the application if possible. So just tap and hold the app of Spotify and head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear all data. What this does is removes any sort of corrupted files and will also log you out of your account. So log in back and try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is reinstall the application of Spotify onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of app bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to this. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.